Welcome to Wisdom Outlined Coaching. My name is Askar Khan, your math coach. Our mission is helping you learn. In this lesson, we will understand linear equations in two variables. Let us dive into the lesson. In our previous videos, we have already studied what is a linear equation in one variable. Let's quickly have a recap of a linear equation in one variable. X plus 5 is equal to 8. Is this a linear equation? Yes. Why? Because in a linear equation, the highest power of the variable is 1. So what is the highest power of the variable over here? 1. So is this a linear equation in one variable? Yes. Okay. 2x plus 3 is equal to 9. Is this a linear equation in one variable? Yes. Why? Because the highest power of the variable is 1. Okay, 3x squared plus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Is this a linear equation? No. Why? Because the highest power of the variable is 2. Now you understand what is a linear equation. It is an equation where the highest power of the variable is 1. And because we have only one variable, it is a linear equation in one variable. And the general form of a linear equation in one variable is ax plus b is equal to 0, where a and b are real numbers. Real numbers means they can be any numbers, decimals, rational, irrational. So this is the general form of a linear equation in one variable. Now let us understand what is a linear equation in two variables. Let us understand the linear equation in two variables. For example, x plus y is equal to 8. Is this a linear equation? Let us figure it out. What is the highest power of the variable in this term? It is 1. Okay. What is the highest power of the variable in this term? It is 1. Since the highest power of the variables in each term is 1, it is a linear equation in two variables. Get this? Okay, let's give us a test now. Is this a linear equation in two variables? 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. It is a linear equation in two variables because it has two variables, okay, and the highest power of the variables in every term is 1. Therefore, it is a linear equation in two variables. Fine. Tell me this now. xy plus 3 is equal to 9. Is this a linear equation in two variables? Let us see. Of course, it has two variables. Fine, that's okay. What is the power of x here? 1. What is the power of y? 1. But what is the power of the variables in these two terms together? It is 2. So this is not a linear equation in two variables. Understand the idea now? So a linear equation in two variables, every term of the variable should have the highest power as 1. The general form of a linear equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers. And you know what real numbers are? They can be rational, irrational, anything. So this is the general form of the linear equation in two variables, where ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, we said a, b and c are real numbers. Can a be 0? No, because if a is 0, ax will vanish. So we will not have a linear equation in two variables, right? Can b be 0? No. So a and b both cannot be 0 to be a linear equation in two variables. Understand that? So what is the general form of a linear equation? It's ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a and b are both not 0. So now let us further understand about the solutions of linear equations. Before we go on to understand how to find the solutions of linear equations in two variables, let us get a grasp of what do we mean by solution of a linear equation by understanding a linear equation in one variable. Whenever we say equation, it has two sides, right? One on the left hand side of the equal sign, and the other one is on the right hand side of the equal sign. So now when we say solution of the equation, meaning that value of the variable which will make left hand side equal to the right hand side. That is what we mean when we say what is the solution. Okay. Now, what should the value of x be so that left hand side is equal to the right hand side in this case? So obviously x has to be 3. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So 8 is equal to 8. So the value of x is 3. In other words, the solution of this linear equation is 3. Got it? And in a linear equation in one variable, there can only be one solution. That's it, isn't it? Now, taking this principle of solving a linear equation, let us find out how to find the solution of linear equations in two variables. Let us understand how to find the solution of linear equations in two variables. So this is a linear equation in two variables, x plus y is equal to 8. And when we say find the solutions, we mean left hand side should be equal to the right hand side. Okay. What if I put the value of x as 3? So what will be the value of y so that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side? We already learned how to solve equations. 3 plus y is equal to 8. If I want to find the value of y, I subtract 3 on both sides. So y is equal to 8 minus 3 is 5. So can you see that? Of course, it's intuitively possible, but I'm giving you the method which can be applied to complicated problems too. So when x is 3 and y is 5, we get left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So the pair of this, one of the solutions is 3, 5. Remember how you mark a point in the Cartesian plane? So when x is 3, y is 5 is one of the solutions of a linear equation. Okay. What if I put the value of x as 0, what will be the value of y? Let us see. 0 plus y is equal to 8. So y is equal to 8. So 0 plus 8 is equal to 8. 8 is equal to 8. Left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So when x is 0, y is equal to 8. 0, 8 is another solution for the same linear equation in two variables. So from this we come to know that a linear equation in two variables can have infinitely many solutions depending upon different values of x and y. Understand now? Let's try few more problems. Let us find 4 solutions to this linear equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 2. The easiest way is choose some values of x. They can be any values. And then find the values of y for that particular value of x. So let us take first, to find the first solution, let us take the value of x to be 3. So when x is 3, what will be the value of y? Let us see. 2 times 3 plus 3y is equal to 12, isn't it? 3 times 2 is 6 plus 3y is equal to 12. Let me bring this 6 on that side. So whenever a variable or a number shifts from one side of the equal sign to the other side, the sign changes. It's basically subtracting 6 on both sides. So 3y is equal to 12 minus 6. 3y is equal to 6. I want only y. So I will divide by 3 on both sides. So y is equal to 6 divided by 3 is 2. So one of the solutions of this linear equation is when x is 3, y is 2. Understand? Let us find another solution. If I take x as 0, what will be the value of y? So 2 times 0 plus 3y is equal to 12. 2 times 0 is 0 plus 3y is equal to 12. 3y is equal to 12. Divide by 3. Y is equal to 12 divided by 3 is 4. So when x is 0, y is 4. This is another solution of the same linear equation in two variables. Can you find out now when x is equal to 1, what will be the value of y? Figure that out and share it with your friends and see whether they get the same answer. And then you can also figure out when x is equal to 2, what will be the value of y. So try this out and I'm sure you will get the answer if you have understood the lesson well. Share it with your friends. I hope you have understood how to solve linear equations in two variables. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching Wisdom Outlined Coaching classes. My name is Askar Khan, your math coach. If you're looking for math coaching classes, you can contact me at the number given in the description as well as displayed on the screen. Please subscribe to this channel and share it with other students. You too can help others learn by sharing this video with them. Thank you.